Hello everyone, my name is Nuzat Saba. I'm from grade 7. Today I'm going to show you a science experiment. So we want a balloon but filled with some water, and then we're gonna blow it up, and then we want a cup uh, and a paper. uh, then we will burn it, uh, and then put it inside the cup. And then we uh, when we put top of the glass and see it's creating vacuum, because due to the heat a vacuum created inside the cup, and for the vacuum balloon becomes protrude inside the cup. As you can see, it is got stuck from the cup. Okay, thank you for watching this.